So what we're going to talk about today is something called Earth's heat budget. This is a process of balancing what we call energy deposits and energy withdrawals. So just a couple pieces of background information. The primary source of heat for the atmosphere of Earth or the surface of Earth is the sun. We get all of our energy and all of our heat from the sun here on Earth. The radiation that we receive from the sun is also known as insolation. And we can consider insolation to be an energy deposit. Now, you'll notice that word insolation comes from incoming solar radiation. So when we get this heat energy, this insolation from the sun, we can either keep some or give it back. And when we give it back, it's called re-radiation. The Earth's surface will re-radiate it back out into space, and we consider this an energy withdrawal. So here's basically how it works. The sun provides us our insolation. So we get our direct heat source from the sun. And when we do that, when we get that energy from the sun, it comes to us in the form of shortwave ultraviolet radiation. You can see on your electromagnetic spectrum in your Earth Science Reference Table that these are more powerful waves. They have a high energy. And we consider this, again, to be an energy deposit. So we get this energy from the sun, and that comes in the form of ultraviolet waves. And when the Earth re-radiates that back out into space, we lose that radiation. We lose some of that heat. And this comes in the form of long-wave infrared radiation. This is longer waves, obviously, and less energy associated with this. And we consider this to be an energy withdrawal. So we can kind of think of this in terms of a bank account. When you take out more money than you have, you're in a deficit. So you're in the hole. You might see a negative balance in your bank account. So when we do this lab, we're going to kind of think, well, when we take out more heat energy than when we receive, what happens? What happens when we lose more heat than we're actually taking in? On the other side, when you put more money into your bank account than you take out, you have a surplus. You have a positive balance in your bank account. And again, when we do the lab, we're going to think, well, what happens when we receive more of that heat energy than we give back?